We are going to clean out this car today.
Spring cleaning.
Spring cleaning. And I'm going to start off with a little vacuuming. We're going to spruce it up and I'm going to show you how glamorous and classy this car can look. So this is what I'm talking about. Back here, this is where the children sit.
And play.
And we just got back from giving the dog a bath at a puppy wash. So that's why the towels and blankets are...
Because we don't want another injury to the leather, right?
Yeah, not another injury.
All right. Let's see what it looks like cleaned up. Just like the rest of us. It always looks better cleaned up.
Always.
Look at this down here. Look.
Well, I can't see very well in here. The lighting's not the best. So.
Kind of a half job.
Oh, yeah.
Did you take out the plastic part? No. Did you go under the bat? No.
No.
You're not going to make it as a detailer.
No. All right, let's try this again.
Now we're done with vacuuming. What's next?
The leather. We're going to clean up the leather.
So pick up some things. We'll show what we got.
Chemical guys, inner clean, interior quick detailer. Yeah. Ooh, leather conditioner. Leather cleaner. Black on black.
Yeah. So that's really good for making some of the plastic shine.
We're going to start off with the leather cleaner spray. It says directions: shake well, spray leather cleaner on a microfiber cloth. Oh, perfect. I love the smell. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. It smells like a new car with this leather cleaner. And the quality of leather in the LS is just, I've never felt anything so soft.
It's an LS. There's leather on the door too, right? Headrest, and then it's on to the actual conditioner, right?
Yeah.
All right, looks pretty shiny. And we showed you guys that our dog punctured the leather. You can see sort of where it happened at. There you go. Right there.
Oh yeah.
Lessons learned.
Now for step 2, the leather conditioner.
What's next?
Okay, we've cleaned the leather and now we're going to do this. Inner clean interior quick detailer.
What's it smelling like right now?
It smells a brand new car, seriously. Like it just, you went to a dealership, bought a brand new car. That is the smell. It looks gorgeous. Oh, and if anyone knows how to clean the wood, like the cherry wood and the LS, please feel free to comment and let us know because we don't know what to use on it. Black on black.
Okay, what are the instructions on that one?
Clean surface before use. Treated. Spray on and buff or let dry. Just spray it on.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ooh, look how nice that looks.
Yeah.
Reminds me of like that tire wet stuff you spray.
Yeah. Except unlike the tire wet stuff, it actually stays clean because it's inside, not outside. Get some overage and just clean up here. I see a hair. I see that's definitely an 80 hair. Be free hair.
Feels like I am sitting in a brand new car.
I noticed it's a lot more slippery. And take a look. Look at this steering wheel, shiny.
It's so shiny. It looks like
the black magic really is black magic. It's the used car specialty to make things shiny.
It looks like lip gloss. Lip gloss.
There's something a man would never say.
Car gloss.
Car gloss. All right. So we mostly got it clean. You can actually see the seats look good. Her seat looks, less kicked in.
Yes.
But as always, the car looks like when you clean up a black interior, it looks like it hasn't seen 21 years and 283,000 miles.
It's amazing.
But we do have to figure out the wood.
Yes.
How to clean that up. Is it just that or because it can glisten a little bit more. It's not.
Yeah, I mean, do you just literally...
Oh, stuff that we don't need. Do we need this?
Hand lotion?
Yeah. Do we need this?
No.
Do we need this?
Nope.
We should have cleaned in there. Look at that. You know what I've noticed? The more you clean a car, the more you realize you have to clean. Like there's like the crevices that you don't think about.
But look how pretty this looks before I open it up.
It does. It looks pretty on the outside, but on the inside, it's a disaster. We got a CD. What's this piece of paper? Oh, it's a receipt from a grocery store. A cassette for Bluetooth that you never use. Bulb. Is it a bulb or is that
a little bulb? It must be for one of these lights.
Yes, we'll keep that.
Oh, a flashlight.
Oh yeah. Work? Okay, but you know what? Dollars to them, it doesn't work. Yeah, bring it in.
No. Oh, nope. Doesn't work.
There we go.
Oh, Lexus of Toyota.
Right. Kingsway, Lexus and Toyota with the phone number. Try calling them, see what happens. This was a cleaning after a winter of...
It's a mom and dad clean.
The mom and dad clean, not a professional clean.
Yeah.
But it feels good.
It does feel good. It does. You know?
And it's a Sunday afternoon. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.